Newton online class. In this video, I want us to solve this particular question on the board. That is a task from the topic chord, that is chord properties in mathematics. Let's look at the question. But before that, remember that chord is one of the properties of a circle. And of course, you know that a chord is any line that start from one point of the circumference and cross to the other point of the circumference in a circle. That is a chord. Of course, a chord divides a circle into segments or into two segments. That is what a chord does. But if the line passes through the center, it is called the diameter. Of course, we know that half of a diameter is the radius. Okay, now the question says that in the figure below, find the length of the chord AB. Look at the figure. We have a circle. We have our chord AB. Then O is the center of the circle. Then we have here the line from the center to circumference here. That is this radius. These are the radius of the circle. Then there is a distance of the chord from the center of the circle to the point C, given as 12 centimeters. We are asked to find the length of the chord AB. Quickly, what we need to do now is we bring out, if you look at this, we have a big triangle and have two right angle triangles. So making the shape analysis now, you bring out this from that chord, bring out one right angle triangle from that chord. And now we have here 12 cm. And here is 13 cm. Okay, so now this is line CD. Line CB. Let me use line CB. Sorry. So here line C. And recall that AC is equal to what? CB. So we should note that line AC is equal to line CB because of this perpendicular that divides this AB into two equal parts. Because the molar triangle inside is isosceles, because this radii, the two radii are equal. Then from that principle here now, so whenever if we can get our CB now and multiply it by 2, we have obtained our AB. Simple. So in other words, we can quickly say that our AB is twice CB. Our AB is twice CB. So let's call our AB, let us label here Y. Let's label here Y. Okay, let's label here Y. Then using Pythagoras theorem, quickly, because this is a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, this is our hypotenuse facing right angle. Then these are the other two sides. And it says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides in a right angled triangle. So we have, based on that theorem, we now have that 13 squared is equal to y squared plus 12 squared. So 13 squared equals to y squared plus 12 squared, which is according to Pythagoras theorem. Making y squared of this formula, how that y squared will be equal to 13 squared minus 12 squared. Therefore, y squared will equal to 13 squared means 13 times 13, and that is 169. Then minus, not 13 times 2, but 13 into two places. 12 squared means 12 times 12, which is 144. So we have that our y squared is equal to 169 minus 144 will give us 25. Now, to find the value of y, we take the square root of both sides. Square root of y squared is y, then square root of 25 is equal to 5, because 5 times 5 into two places will give us 25. So, but this is not our final answer anyway. This is our CB. Recall that our length of chord is AB. So, length of the chord, which is AB. This is the length of chord, is equal to 2 times our CB we obtained, which is equal to 2 times 5 equal to 10 centimeter. So the length of the chord AB, our line AB, length of the chord AB is equal to what? 10 centimeter. So from here to here is 10 centimeter. Because we have obtained here, and multiplying by 2, since here is equal to here, we get our length of the chord. So very simple. So I believe with this you can tackle any similar question coming from chord properties. Even if you are asked to find distance from the center or the radius, remember you are going to use Pythagoras theorem because it involves right angle triangle. Thank you so much for paying attention to this particular class and enjoying mathematics with me. For more of this, visit my YouTube channel at Joenewton Online Class. Here you subscribe so you'll be obtaining notifications of my regular uploads of tutorial videos. Also, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Joenewton Online Class. Thank you.